Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor, Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. We're going to do an update on the garden, on its growth. If you're looking at us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're looking at us on Rumble, please give us a follow. We have a small raspberry bush. It's been growing here since, I guess 14 years. Slowly expanding in the yard, coming to the end of its fruit. Decimated by Japanese beetles. Not much I can do about it. Luckily, the berry bush in the front gives me enough fruit to make jam. All right, let's go look at the peppers. Well, our pepper plant, the slowest growing one ever. Here we are approaching the end of July and still not a pepper. These tomatoes, I wonder how they'll look if they ever get red. Our other pepper plant, small little peppers. Well, I guess these are ready to pick. And the other peppers, all of them very handy for canning. I should probably have enough to can today now. Actually, let's go in here. Let's go into the zucchinis. I know there's one that's ready to grab. And there's this tomato plant here. You know, I've been walking around it, stepping on it, just started to grow through the cracks, and I was like, it lives, it lives. If it doesn't, I don't care. I'm not going to coddle it. And it has survived my aggressive behavior in the past. Okay, let's look at this. I know there's a zucchini here. Where is the zucchini? Not that one. Maybe I grabbed it last night. Probably grabbed it last night. Still scraping eggs off these leaves. I don't get them all. It's quite the battle. A lot of those disgusting beetles. All right, open up, open up. There's just so many leaves to check. You could never get to all of them. All right, our beans. Ooh. Gotten a little bushier. Good. Maybe we'll finally start getting some beans today. I mean, I've been getting a handful every day. Just enough to say I had a few extra beans with supper. But nothing prodigious enough to actually can. All right, our inground potatoes continue to make the box potatoes. Look like they are leading the pack. Well, rain is coming. It's going to be another hot, humid day. Rain's not coming today. It's coming in a couple of days. Cold weather front coming in August. It's going to bring us possibly even to the high teens. Wonderful. I love warm weather. Hot, humid, I don't care. Having grown up in northern Quebec, where the summers are so short, where you have basically 2 weeks worth of evenings where the temperature doesn't drop below 10 degrees Celsius at night. Yeah. Really enjoying my summers here in southern Ontario. Except when you get a cold front like that. But it's to be expected because the Maunder minimum we have entered with the sun. It's cooling. We're gonna cool. We're heading into another ice age, slowly but surely. There's nothing we can do. We had that Younger Dryas episode 11,600 years ago. Small ice age for about 1,000 years. If there had been civilization on Earth, it would have been completely wiped out. Oh yeah. All right, well, do we have any zucchinis? No? Well, there's one growing here. Somewhere. Well, as you can see, our squash box is doing just fantastic. We'll have to give it another turmeric spray today to capture the new growth. It is doing rather well. Look at that. All right, let's go in the front where we will show you some bug damage. Well, this squash continues to do well. I hope it is a pumpkin plant. And this, oh look, 1, 2, 2 squashes down there that never got pollinated and just started rotting on the vine. Oh my, that's a huge crabgrass growth in there. Okay. All right, so this poor fella here, look at that, eh? Just died. Oink. So down here, vine borers came right in, started eating, food stopped getting to the plant. So they say that if you bury the vine and put some dirt on it, keep it wet, it'll start to root further down and then start to grow again. So we'll see if that works. I'm not too concerned about it. These are extra plants in the forward box. If I get some fruit from them, outstanding. If not, well, maybe next year. Okay, let's get this monster out of here. Oh my God. Okay. All right, let's look at our Morning Glories. All right, look at this. Just as I'm there, this little thing twitched. It's trying to climb along the wall. That's the first. Wonder if it'd actually get up to the other eaves. Okay, well, here we are at the end again, having reviewed the growth of the garden. If you hung out to the end, I really appreciate it. Please follow us on Rumble. Don't worry about the commie tube. We will see you next time. Bye.